guys, we're out here in Elizabethtown looking at this garage roof here. Obviously it's cedar shake. We are looking to do some cedar shake repairs. Cedar shake is starting to deteriorate a lot faster. They're covered by these trees here, so a lot of moss buildup is starting to deteriorate these cedar shakes last bottom courses here. So today we can't do that, just considering of the weather that we've been having here in the area, and we can come back next week and get the repairs taken care of.
1 week later.
All right, guys, it's been a week or so. We're back on the roof. We got some clear weather. Roof is completely dried. As you can see, we started off here taking off some of the bad pieces of cedar shake here, trying to locate these nails right in this general vicinity of the cedar shake. Install this slate ripper all the way in there, locate that nail, and then with a hammer here, we just kind of just beat away at the ripper here until we loosen up that nail there. We'll come back once we have that cedar shaken. So here we are, we're gonna get ready to install the new pieces of cedar shake. So these are ring shank nails, and this is what we use to install cedar shake. What this does, it just has more holding power as the wood. Since this is wood, it expands and contracts. So we want to ensure that there's no nail pop. So this just helps the cedar shake ensure that it doesn't pull out over time. Here we just added some paper above the new pieces that we're gonna add, and underneath the new pieces that we're gonna add. What that does is just kind of creates a waterproofing / air barrier underneath each piece, just to kind of create a gap in between the decking and the cedar shake. Create a little gap there. Alright guys, as you guys can see, we're pretty much done here with the cedar shake repair. Obviously there was probably like 2 or 3 pieces missing here, but considering how mossy the cedar shake is, we ended up having to replace a couple more to ensure that, you know, the pieces that we're putting in are functioning properly with the existing roof here. So this is what it looks like. This is the new pieces. You can obviously see the new pieces compared to the old, and this should help the water shed down into the gutter there.